Hello, how are you today? My name is Amber Pepentenza and I am a licensed psychologist and would like to discuss your psychological assessment thoroughly. First, we're going to talk about the history of your current symptoms. It has been shown that Miss S has a history of anxiety and depression since high school, but the symptoms have worsened over the past year and she sought treatment. Since she has been taking medicine, the symptoms have improved greatly. The mood symptoms have also improved. In the U.S. Army, she experienced symptoms of acute stress and hearing gunshots and discovered that one of her own platoon mates committed suicide. And I was just wondering maybe that she might need to be tested for PTSD. Your past medical, neurological, psychiatric, and substance abuse history. It has been stated that you don't drink alcohol and have never used tobacco or recreational drugs. It has been noticed that you have gained 200 pounds after your discharge from the Army. Why is that? Referral from the physician for bariatric surgery, but it has not been approved. I'm going to discuss your birth, development, occupational history. It has been shown that you have attended college immediately after high school, but quit after a year due to the lack of focus and financial strain. Why is there not very much of a lack of focus? You have been honorable discharged from the Army after 9 months due to being psychologically incapable of performing your assigned duties. Is that might be because you are experiencing PTSD. However, you currently work as a fitness instructor and you can hold down a job. So that shows that you were able to work a full-time job and not have any difficulties. Your birth, development, occupational history is continued. Despite you quitting college, you plan to enroll in the university full-time to get a bachelor's degree in social work. I was wondering, will you be able to handle stress related to this admission, or will you still have difficulties since you previously dropped out of college? I was wondering, you have sought help to learn to take test distractions from a free environment due to generalized anxiety disorder. Will this benefit you in the future if you're able to take the test this way? What is your psychological history and current adaptation? It shows that you have been married and live with your husband and you have no children. You are very independent in all your activities of daily living. You do focus on hobbies and you have been exercising regularly and running. How does this help with your depression? Have you noticed that you are feeling better since you've been exercising and you have more energy? What are current tests done on you? The Welsher Adult Intelligence Scale was done. The Nelson-Denny Reading Test was done and shown that you had fairly good score on that test. And then you have done a wide range of achievement tests and other tests that do involve attention, verbal learning, color word tests, and Wisconsin's card scoring test. It was shown that you have an MMPI.2 RF done, and you have had a depression inventory done and anxiety done also. Will these tests help you with your problems? What we have found with the findings of these tests are that your cognitive ability underestimation of your true level of functioning. Your achievement, you need to be aware that there's anxiety and it may cause less attention. And in your language, you are very fluent and adequately articulated. You don't have any problems with your speech. Visual spatial abilities, you don't have any evidence of any of these problems. The findings have been continued. Your memory is very good. You have no indication of a retention memory disturbance. Your executed functions are you show weakness in math, which is normal in most women. Men are better in math than most women are. Personality and mood. You have a lot of physiological distress at this time, and your symptoms are tension, depression, agitation over problems in your environment. However, you do have a great outlook on life, but you blame others for your problems. The recommendations I have for you is that you need to take tests in a separate room to reduce the level of distractions. You need to access a calculator for math tests. When taking a test, you need to have frequent breaks throughout the testing. Your work environment should be distraction-free. You should take notes when needed to help retain information. Lastly, you need a daily planner or appointment book to help you organize and train yourself to put belongings in the same place all the time so that you will not forget where they are. Thank you for your time.